Elmo is coming for you!
Yeah, that was awesome. I made you deaf. That was awesome.
Oh, shushy. Ah, suckies! Sticky suckies! Sticky suckies!
How'd that go anyway? Wait, that's a different pair. Where'd that other one go?
Yeah, two pairs of socks and they became a magically different pair.
No, apparently they multiplied me today. Awesome.
Yeah, magically multiplying socks.
Sometimes I wish I did. I didn't never fucking find it. Fucking right, any reason why you're taking it?
What? Hating because it's there?
What?
Because it's there and I only have about 80 minutes worth of film.
What? I was asking.
Just my favorite. Something fun.
I'm tired, that's why I sound like I'm being pissy.
Definitely a different desk than the last time.
Get up here since then.
Of course, I still remember your big one. But I still remember the big hole in your closet. Remember the closet door?
Oh, the door?
Yeah. The hole in the closet door.
Needless to say, I'll give you a call.
What, you had it in your pocket the whole time?
Oh, yeah.
And you... I almost thought you know, it looked like for a second, you almost looked like you're about to attach the cord to the light on there, the fan. Hey, I'm wearing a fan cord.
No, but I wanted to make sure it didn't get caught in the collar. Yeah, of course, now we wait a second or two. Or, you know, like a minute or two. I think, here, it would probably be easier if I, hold on a minute, let me see if I can find it. There's the keystroke since I got it. Shut up with your no connection.
Oh, that's all? That's actually kind of cool. I kind of like that.
Shut up. Not you, the keyboard, sorry. That's what I was looking for earlier. Why is it bitching?
66, that's the temperature?
Yeah, as a matter of fact, 66.7.
God, do you keep getting any colder? Actually, yes you do, but that's beside the
Yeah, I
point.
was gonna say, usually it's 48.
Yeah, knowing you.
Oh, there it is. LCD. There, that one pick it up. Shut up with the connection message. You don't hear. I know you don't have a connection. Shut the F up. That's as quick as I've ever seen that router log in.
Oh, really?
I usually has to try here enough times. Let's see here.
When was the last time the temperature thing scared you? It tells you the time and temperature?
Oh, that's not a long time. Alright, well, let's see, we're good. Get a set. Oh, I didn't know what you were doing.
This thing...
What?
I'm just looking at your little blinky thing up there.
Oh, the weather thing?
Yeah.
Weather
What is that anyway?
monitor? Did I not just tell you what it was?
It's a weather thing, that's all I know.
A weather monitor. It's,
Telling you the weather in your room?
No, actually outside. Part of it. That's indoor temperature there, obviously.
Yeah.
Relative humidity inside. That's the pressure, which actually I need to reset that for altitude. But that's the forecasted weather condition. Again, I need to set the altitude so it doesn't phase of the moon. And these are the different trends in temperature and pressure. Obviously, I need to reconfigure it. And it's also got no weather radio on it too and everything.
Cool. Here's a tiny printer.
Yeah, that's the beast. That's the color laser printer.
Why not? This probably weighs 50 pounds or more.
Oh, yeah.
Lights! Lights!
It prints about 1 page a minute in color. If I remember right.
Still pretty good.
That one it is, yeah. The color laser print is. Oh yeah, it is actually. I don't have it down right now. Earlier we did that. See if I can find what that's supposed to look like.
The wiggles.
That's different.
You put it
Oh
right.
yeah. That is off of this.
Oh, cool.
I think it kind of got stuck to the fuser.
Oh.
Yeah, I need to clean it again. I just like took it completely apart and dusted it out, cleaned it out, and then I scraped off the fuser because it had the color toner all over it. That's the second job because toner is not exactly the most environmentally friendly shit, nor is it friendly to ship to the skin either. Now the fun part. What table was I?